and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. On today's video, we will be taking a look at a couple of TikTok videos that I found while scrolling on my For You page. Today's video is going to be more focused on nail fails. I feel like I'm gonna tongue twister that, but I am just gonna be taking a deeper dive into some of these experiences that these clients are having when they go to a non-standard salon. So I have a handful of videos that we're gonna go ahead and review today. And if you're wondering why I have such an opinion, I am a licensed nail technician and I graduated from American Institute of Beauty. Let's go ahead and acknowledge the nails that I did last night. Bow. Bow. So if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we're just gonna go ahead and dive right in. For today's first video, it is from a TikToker named Adeline Morin, and she went into the nail salon to get the Hailey Bieber chrome nails. I know that they were really popular maybe sometime last year, and so we're gonna go ahead and watch her experience. Let's go.
So I wanted to do the Hailey Bieber chrome nails and I ended up crying after because my nail tech was so mean. Like, it doesn't help that I was already having a shitty day, but I wanted to get my nails done just to like get something done off my to-do list. So this was my first time asking for like just a regular gel manicure on my natural nails. She put on this Gel X type gel on my nails to make it thicker and stronger, and when I put it in the UV light, it hurt so bad. Like, I know when you get Gel X, like it hurts a little bit and like, I don't know, but on my natural nail, like the whole thing, it literally felt like it was on fire. So I didn't even really want this gel in the first place, and I was like, hey, like it kind of hurts, it's really hot, like is there any way we could just do the gel polish? And she was like, no, we already did one finger, like just put it in the rest, like it's fine. I literally felt like I had to stand up for myself, and I was like, it's so hot, like I can't do it, my nails are sensitive. She like threw this big temper tantrum with like taking off the one nail that she did that I didn't ask for, and the whole time I was doing my nail, she's like, it's too hot, it's too hot. It's not too hot. I also asked for this color Funny Bunny, she didn't use it. I ended up tipping her like normal, but I'm never going back to the salon again.
So to wrap up that video, I would be so sad if I was sitting in that chair. If your client is expressing to you that she doesn't want to go a certain direction, we as a licensed professional need to be able to listen and then be able to pivot. That client came in for something that wasn't like hard to do, right? It's just like a chrome powder, which it looked like towards the end of the video we got on the right track. But if your client is telling you that their nails are hurting under the UV light, that means that we filed the nails way too much and way too thin, because once that product goes in the UV lamp and that nail is thinner than thin, that client's gonna feel it. So I feel really bad for this client. Hopefully she was able to, I don't know, rock the nails for a little bit, but that is a pretty strong start. So as a licensed professional, we need to always remember to listen to our client, make sure we're all on the same page, and then be able to finish the appointment. Alrighty, so for our second video, this one is gonna be from Brenda 101. So we're gonna go ahead and see what her experience is. Okay, let's play it. That was nothing near a coffin. Okay, so that was a really short video and that was very triggering because that's crazy. Now, I don't know if that is someone that is in nail tech school and wanted to practice on her friend and just to get a little bit of exposure, but that was crazy. That was crazy. You can tell the difference from someone who is a licensed professional and then someone who likes to do nails for fun, because that looked dangerous. As she was filing with the e-file, you could see that the e-file wasn't really doing much. Like, it wasn't shaping the nail into any kind of coffin shape. So wild. So let's go ahead and let's watch the next video, because that was crazy.
You don't pay for your nails, honey. You're not gonna have nothing. You have nubs. You see this? Pay for your nails.
Nubs.
Yeah, no, you gotta pay for the nails. even me home techs, make them pay for the nails. Don't do it, no bullshit. Look, they gotta go. I'm sorry. These beautiful nails, all this work, for what? She said, oh,
She's
I left
clipping off all the
my
nails.
card in the car. I gotta go get it. No, bitch gonna run away. Huh? That's your plan? Not doing this to me. You're not gonna leave with nails. These nice nails. Yeah. Last time I let you do this, you short me money and say, oh, I sent it to you cash out. I said, no. You said, oh, I'll give you EBT. I said, no. You pay for your nails, you don't get nothing.
Okay, so that last video was from Sunshine_nailed it. This goes, I feel like, for all professions. If you go sit in someone's chair to get a service provided, that doesn't mean at the end of the service, you go and decide that you don't want to pay for the service. I find that this is such a common theme when I'm on TikTok. It's like these people are like sitting in the chair for hours and then they leave without paying or trying to like fight about it. Like, catch me outside. We ain't trying to catch anybody outside. That's crazy. So after doing what took like most likely like 4 or 5 hours, depending on her comfortability with doing nail art this beautiful, is having to take off every single nail. If you were a client sitting in a professional's chair and they're like, oh, I'm not gonna pay, you best believe those nails are coming off. It's really hard because in the beauty world, in the beauty profession, you want to make sure that you fill your book, because once you fill your book, you're able to weed out the clients that you are willing to take and that are going to respect you, because this is disrespectful and it's crazy. And I love how the nail technician is calling her out. She's like, you're about to go to your car and leave without paying. Like, you think you're gonna leave with these beautiful nails? That's wild. So for the next video, we're gonna go ahead and watch one of my favorite, I think she's like a cosmetologist. She kind of does hair, nails, and skin, and I just feel like her videos are always really funny. So we're gonna just watch like half the clip because I feel like the other half of it is kind of like an ad. So this is going to be from the TikToker Julie Beauty by Design. So she is sitting with her client and her client shows her a picture of these super extravagant nails. The client will ask, hey, how much would a set like this be? And the nail tech's like, it's gonna be $1,000. And the customer's like, no, I don't want it. Just go ahead and take off my current set. I don't want it. And we'll go ahead and debrief after. Okay.
Can you do that? How much is that?
That's gonna be $1,000.
I like how she looks at the
Body
camera.
details.
Forget it. Take this shit off. Just take these off for
You
now.
want to soak off or take off?
I want to take them off. No chemicals. Take them off now.
Take them off?
Yep.
Okay.
That's what I said.
I do not recommend using a thin
Ow.
nail tip to like
Fuck.
remove nails.
You want to continue?
Don't
Yeah.
recommend.
Continue. Go.
Okay.
Uh-huh. God damn it. That hurts.
You want to continue?
Doing a little check-in with the
Continue.
You
client,
want
make sure
soak.
she wants to move
No,
forward.
I don't want to soak. Oh, seriously. Oh,
You okay?
yeah.
They're off.
I'm sorry.
If you don't take the shit off, you get
Wait,
funny.
smile.
And then
for
here I
me.
think is where it like goes into the
Oh, your
ad.
teeth look great.
But
what do you put on your
kind
teeth?
of like
What
at
do
the
you use?
beginning of this video, you know, you listen to what your client wants. Now, if they're being rude and they're like talking to you all crazy, I'd probably cut that right there. I'd be like, okay, first off, you're not going to talk to me that way, especially if you're asking for $1,000 set nails. That is most likely going to take like 4 or 5 hours. I find that when I go through TikTok, people want these like crazy nails and they only want to pay $30. Like, that's crazy. Is $30 gonna fix my broken back after hunching over to do your nails? Like, that's crazy. That's wild. Yeah, so I'm reel it in, girl. We just doing a review. Okay, so that one was from Julie Beauty by Design. If you don't know who she is, she's really funny. I feel like she's like really brutally honest with her clients. So I feel like that's why I think it's funny, but that's just me. So we're gonna go ahead and watch our last video, okay? So there is a TikToker and she completely broke her thumbnail, where you can see the acrylic is broken and her nail is bleeding underneath and it looks so painful. But we're gonna watch her kind of go through the process of removing this nail, because let me tell you, it's crazy. And I will say it's just like a little bit graphic. Like if you're not good with like blood, or if you're not good with I don't know, blood. Some people are like scared of the e-file. So if you're not fond of the e-file, maybe you want to skip this part. But let's go ahead and watch this nail tech take off their broken nail. This is from XO Acrylic. XO. Okay, let's get into it. Those gems are huge. Normally you would take like a nipper to remove those big gems, but since the nail is already broken, you have to treat that so gentle. Now she's gonna throw it in acetone. I was right. And then removing the excess gel as well as acrylic powder. I wonder how long it took her to do this, because I feel like I would be like, rip it off. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't rip it off, but damn, I'd be like, ooh. Ooh, ouch. You can see that I am feeling every minute of that pain. That's crazy. I feel like taking off that last piece of acrylic would feel so satisfying, but also feel like so good on her for being able to take that off. I'm sure she's so happy, and I'm sure she's also just probably gonna let that sit for a minute, because that is wild. Absolutely wild. So I will be leaving all of the content creators and all the videos that we reviewed in the description, so that of course we share the love and we share the credit, because if it wasn't for the videos that I find on TikTok, I probably wouldn't have anything to review. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. I am not gonna lie, some of those videos really just hurt me down to the core. Being a licensed nail technician and going through my For You page and seeing how these clients are leaving chairs crying, as a professional, that is not our job. Our job is to make our clients happy, to listen to them, to make adjustments if needed, if they're not feeling what we're doing. So if you have had your own experience, a good one, a bad one, a medium one, where you're like, it's okay, I can make it work, leave me some love down in the comments. I just love to hear your experiences. I know that I've had a couple of bad nail experiences until I decided just to get my license. So when I have my clients in my chair, you best believe they're leaving happy and posting pictures, because they're like, bow, bow, bow. Hey. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you are returning, thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you guys have done for me. Just subscribing to the channel, just leaving me some love when I post on my shorts, and just really engaging with the videos that I'm posting. I will leave a link down to, I believe, my solo.t in case you guys are interested in following on my other social media, mainly TikTok and Instagram. I will leave those down at the bottom. So for the next time, I will have to see you, because my husband and I are gonna go try to catch the sunset down at the beach. So without further ado, I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.